Hi everyone, welcome to Dental Shots. This is part 11 of cementum series about the acellular cementum. This is a first formed cementum covering the cervical half of the tooth. As the name implies, it doesn't contain any acellular cementum are formed before the tooth reaches the occlusal plane. The thickness ranges from 30 to 230 micrometer and it is clear and structureless. It contains Sharpie's fibers which are inserted right angle to the root surface and penetrate deep into the cementum. Acellular cementum is more calcified than the cellular cementum and it has more incremental lines because numerous appositional layers are formed. Microradiographs reveals that the zone of acellular cementum which is closer to the dentin are more mineralized than the other remaining cementum. The reason the Sharpie's fibers which are incorporated in the acellular cementum is unevident because they lose their identity due to the densely packed collagen fibers in the acellular cementum. Acellular afibrillar cementum is the first variety we are going to see. It neither contains cells nor the collagen fibers. So it doesn't have any role in the tooth attachment. They are otherwise called a coronal cementum, because the coronal cementum is mostly contributed by the acellular afibrillar cementum. The thickness is about 1 to 15 micrometer. It is a product of the cementoblast covering the minor area of the enamel. The next variety is the acellular extrinsic fiber cementum, which consists of a Sharpie's fibers which are densely packed and doesn't contain any cells. These are the product of fibroblast and cementoblast. They are found in the cervical 1/3 of the root. The thickness range from 30 to 230 micrometer and this is principally responsible for the anchorage of the tooth in the alveolus. This type of cementum is most desired following the regenerative periodontal surgical procedures. They are formed both pre-eruptive period and as well as post-eruptive period. They are made particularly by the class of fibroblast that has an alkaline phosphatase positive. The fiber fringe is formed parallel to each other and perpendicular to the root surface, intermingled with the fibers of the dentinal matrix. The acellular extrinsic fiber cementum, as I said earlier, the PDL fibers are right angle to it and the other end of the PDL gets incorporated in the alveolar bone proper of the alveolar bone. According to the scientific evidence, the reason behind the acellular extrinsic fiber to be more mineralized than the cellular intrinsic fiber cementum or any other type of cement, because the acellular extrinsic fiber cementum is formed in a very slow process and it has a longer period of direct contact with the tissue fluids, hence they are more mineralized. Why not the cellular intrinsic fiber cementum or cellular mixed fiber cementum are not more calcified? Because it has a lacunae which is uncalcified and it has an uncalcified core of Sharpie's fibers. In the soft X-ray examination of the cementum reveals that the cellular extrinsic fiber cementum is less mineralized in the innermost layer and in the outer layer it has an alternating bands of more and less mineral content that run parallel to the root surface. Do not forget to see the part 12 that concentrates on the cellular cementum in detail, and if you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to Dental Shots. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.